Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a little more in-depth read for you for your love life. Let's see how you're feeling, Capricorn, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Capricorn, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'll have your mutual energies, your dialogue cards, etc. Okay, all right, okay. Action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck I have the Lovers. So very strong connection. You guys probably feel this is like a soulmate connection or a twin flame connection or something. But maybe somebody had to make a choice here and didn't, I guess. So that's why there is some trouble here. Let's see. For person A's end, they feel this connection has become very imbalanced. There is no news from them, no message, no text, or maybe person A is not interested now to take this further, feeling very imbalanced in this connection. Where person B is concerned, they are feeling stuck. They're finding it very difficult to move forward because I think whatever mind games they've played till now, they feel that entire thing, they've become the loser in this. Whatever they did wrong, they are having to face the brunt of it. Okay, so before I move on with this reading, Capricorn, let me take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll go on with the reading. Okay, so Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. And Cappies, if any of you need a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Too many cards, Spirit. Can I have them one by one, please? Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. All right. Okay, so Cappies, I'm going to take a few more from another deck. This one, Capricorn and their person spirit. All right, good to go, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. I really didn't think we were compatible at first. I see that we are now. I have commitment issues. Maybe that was the problem in the past, and maybe this is person B who was playing all these mind games. But now they realize since they've been blocked or something has fallen apart, they feel, oh my God, I'm the loser by losing my person. When I said I love you forever, I meant it. I see you in my dreams, wishing it was a reality. I just have other responsibilities to take care of. Can I trust you not to break my heart again? And the last card here says, Capricorn, I'm having a hard time believing that you really love me. Maybe they've created so much chaos in the past, they are even afraid that, maybe the person doesn't trust them or love them at all now. So, okay, so let's start with our reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say for this read. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Speak your truth, Capricorn. Speak your truth. Whatever, don't hide things anymore. Whatever you feel, be authentic and speak it out. If you get the chance, don't assume and presume anything. Okay? Clear communication is a great way to get things going one way or the other. So let's see. Person A. Person A, why do you have the Page of Wands in reverse and the Temperance card in reverse? I think person A is feeling there is nothing being offered here. There's no brand new beginning. There is no message, nothing. I was waiting for them to come and express their love to me, be emotionally open with me, but that hasn't happened till now. Yes, person A has been waiting for this offer of this brand new beginning, somebody to come towards them on that white horse, knight in shining armor, and say sweet nothings to them, but that message hasn't yet come. Temperance in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Yes, that's stressing person A out a lot. They're having sleepless nights. They feel this is terribly wrong. Is it time to now release this connection? This has become toxic because I keep waiting and nothing is really happening here. Yes, so somebody is thinking it's time that, if this person doesn't choose me, I have to get myself out of confusion because I can't do this anymore. I can't just keep waiting for somebody who's not ever taking action. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? 3 of Pentacles. So what happened here, Spirit? 3 of Pentacles. What happened? Oh, I think there was love here. At least person A felt I can really work on this connection. We worked together very well. There was a lot of love here. I don't think there was any stress here, but I don't think that offer for forever came. One more. 8 of Swords in reverse. Yes, I think person A did see a lot of potential in person B. They felt that this is the person who is going to be my forever person. I love this person a lot. But I don't think that they offered that commitment, which forced, I think, person A to get out of their head and make a decision to walk away. Am I right, Spirit? They were waiting for that offer. They were waiting for that offer that one day that offer will come so I can get out of my head. This person is the person I want to be with. But eventually, I don't think that offer came, and it forced one person to, yes, go and follow their own path and take back control of their life and say, if you're not going to be authentic, then I might as well. I'm still very good looking. I can still turn heads, and I'm going to go pursue my own passions then. Maybe look for new love. So, person A, how do you see this connection now? The Devil in reverse. I think person A is feeling that this was very toxic. Yes, there's too much of conflict, too much of fighting, always make me feel, less than. My person is always like one-upping me, keeping me in competition, always having their own way. This toxic behavior has to stop, has to totally stop. Ace of Wands in reverse. How do they see this connection now? Ace of Wands in reverse. Yes, I think person A has got their sword up now to say, hey, listen, I have boundaries now. You can't just come towards me whenever you want, leave whenever you want, and never offer me anything. I have nothing to give you either, so you keep your Ace of Wands to yourself, right? I'm not interested anymore. I have boundaries, very strict boundaries. So either you come to me correct or you don't come to me at all. So what action person A is going to take, I'll open later. Capricorn, let's go on to the other side. And yes, this, I think, card is for person A. They may have spoken their truth to say no more. Person B has the Chariot in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Chariot in reverse. Why is the Chariot in reverse for person B? Things have stagnated, and that's really burdening them. They're feeling very overwhelmed that, they can't move towards person A the way they used to. Maybe they got used to having their own way of always, having it their way. So now, ever since this stoppage has happened, it's kind of burdened this person out. They don't like this stagnation. They feel whatever mind games I was playing with my person, eventually I'm the loser because now I don't have access to them. Five of Swords in reverse. Five of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, they have no clarity. They have no clarity. They don't know what to do. Maybe some lies came out, maybe about a third party or something. Something happened here which they feel that they eventually lost. Okay, they may have lied about something which may have come out in the open. Maybe they were just lying, literally lying. They had nobody, but they said something. But whatever mind games this person tried to play, it eventually, they became the loser. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to be behaving this way? They didn't want to get stuck in a commitment. Hanged Man in reverse. Yes, they created drama, they created conflict, they created imbalance into a connection because they didn't want to get stuck. Right? They maybe knew that person A was looking for a commitment. Hierophant. What's this Hierophant in the recent past, Spirit? Yes, they wanted to stay single. They wanted to stay single and have their own way. They didn't want to be in a commitment. And yes, this person could have lied, could have kept secrets, or could have lied or done something to avoid a commitment. And I had a card here which said, I have commitment issues. So, how does person B now see this connection, Spirit? Person B is feeling devastated that they've lost person A. They do want to heal this connection, get out of conflict, move on to a place where there can be peace and harmony again. They know what they've done. They know they've created some kind of a tower moment between the two of you. They are the reason that this connection is in jeopardy right now, and they know that they've caused it as well. They want to come and end the fight now. They don't want any more fighting. They're feeling terrible about the way things have happened. If they can't move towards person A, believe it or not, they are manifesting it. They are manifesting something to resolve. Yes, they want to take action, Capricorn. They are manifesting some action now towards person B again. They just want to get out of this conflict, this fight. They want to get back that peace and harmony and end the cycle of pain, I think. Ten of Swords, Ten of Swords, Ten of Swords, Spirit. They have a lot of passion still, but they're contemplating how to maybe move forward and start a brand new chapter with person A. They are very disgusted or disappointed with their own investment that they have not put, right? And now they're realizing, I still have so much passion for person A, and I've killed this connection. Now what do I do? What do I do? How do I resume this beautiful connection again? So person A, will you take any action towards person B? Ten of Wands in reverse. I think person A is saying that that's too much baggage for me to carry. I was the only one in this connection who carrying all the wands. My back broke. I am kind of just dropping everything. I'm not interested. Yes, they always left me out in the cold, and now it's my turn. I'm going to now leave them out in the cold. I'm dropping this connection. I'm not interested. Am I right, Spirit? Is that the action person A wants to take? Yes, person A is actually healing their heart. They've had their heart broken by person B. So they're in the process of healing their broken heart. They have been made to feel miserable, always left out. So they are still in the process of ending this cycle that you guys have been in. So person B, you better take action because person A is on their way out. Empress in reverse. Why is that in action? Why is that in action, Spirit? Why is person B... Oh, they're so embarrassed and ashamed to face the Empress now. They feel they've lost their chance for a happily ever after. They want it so desperately. Yes, they don't want things to change. They want to hold on to this connection. They still want this Ten of Cups. They still want this Empress who they feel doesn't want them anymore. They feel this Empress will never want to grow with them or have anything to do with them. Person B is feeling rather ashamed and embarrassed of their own behavior now. So, but you have to take action, person B, otherwise there'll be status quo and I'll have to do another reading. So, please, will you take any action towards person A now? Are you going to sit here and stay embarrassed for a while? They are making that decision. They're no longer confused, no longer pulled into different directions. They are finding their path. So good for them. Maybe leave them be for a little while. If you're in person A's side, they have made that choice. They have made that decision. I think for a very long time, this person never made a decision. But now at least they've come to that, and they are manifesting. They are manifesting something new with person A. They are a little worried right now that a reconciliation may not be possible because they will get rejected on sight. If they do come and be their flirty self, this person A is probably going to reject them. So they are trying to think of an innovative magician way to they've made that decision, which is a good thing. All right, so that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Hope it helped you. Do leave a like if it did, if it resonated with your storyline, and I will see you soon. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.